Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabrielle and I focus on luxury skincare, beauty, and lifestyle content. And today I'm going to be sharing a little bit of a review of a product I've been testing out for the last few weeks. Now this is a tool that is going to change your skincare game. Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts, my reviews, my demo, as well as some of the functionalities of this device. Now without any further ado, the device that I'm talking about is the FOREO KIWI Derma. And this is a lovely little but mighty tool that has 3-in-1 triple tech solution to address all of your skincare concerns. Number one, we have the Microdermabrasion component to the KIWI Derma. So this device contains 3 Adamas Diamond Microdermabrasion tips. This one right here is our medium size, and you also get 2 additional sizes in a larger as well as a smaller. This has a little bit of texture to it, and this is going to provide that physical exfoliation on your skin. Microdermabrasion is so crucial, and exfoliation in general is so crucial for your skin because it's going to help slaw off that dull and dead texturized skin layer that resides on the top of your skin. When you remove that, you're going to reveal more radiant, fresh, younger looking skin, and it's also, bonus, going to allow your skincare products to penetrate deeper into your skin. And basically it does this because when you're applying skincare products on that kind of uneven textured dead skin cell layer, it's going to have to fight through those dead layers to get to the fresher skin where all of the actives really work their magic. When you're removing that layer, there's kind of less stuff to fight through and get through for the product to actually reach the layer of the skin that you want it to work at. It also, like I said, comes with different size tips. So this is great for different areas of your face where you might want a little bit of a different size to fit into maybe those smaller crevices. For example, the smaller tip right here is so perfect for the T-zone area, but also getting into the crevices of your nose here where you can have a lot of built up excess sebum and debris. The larger tip is great for larger surface areas like your cheeks, and then the medium size for everywhere else. The second component of this device is the vacuum suction, and it's a very gentle vacuum suction, and you also have total control over the intensity of it with 6 different levels to choose from. So when you turn on the device right here, you're going to see a little light appear. This is level 1. Every time you push your power button, you increase the level. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can push the button again to go back to level 1, and you can press and hold to turn the device off. So you have complete control over the level of suction. For first-time users, I definitely recommend starting with the lowest level. So that suction is going to help to suck out that excess oil, that debris, those impurities in your skin, in your pores, to reveal less congested skin. It's again going to help provide a radiant appearance, and it's going to help to minimize the appearance of your pores by reducing that debris. This is also extremely satisfying because it really just sucks it right up in that nose area. And the last component of this device that I want to share is the Tonic Massage. So the Tonic Massage is going to stimulate microcirculation. It's going to help increase blood flow to the surface of your skin, provide that extra oxygen. It's also going to stimulate collagen production, which we all know is a huge component to the makeup of our skin, to the elasticity and youthfulness of our skin. So boosting that collagen production is incredibly important, but also increasing that circulation. So you're going to notice when you do use this device some slight redness, some slight pinky hue, but that's just a boost of circulation to the surface of your skin. The Tonic Massage is also going to help provide kind of a lymphatic drainage massage. It's going to help flush out any puffiness, any excess fluid with that suction and Tonic Massage technology. My personal experience since using this device is a number of things. First thing, I had a couple of concerns with my overall skin that I've noticed in the last couple of months, which include a lot of uneven, bumpy skin texture, specifically around my T-zone area. Now, this is something that I will occasionally deal with, especially as my skin becomes a little bit drier. Different elements and stress can definitely play an impact on this as well. But I was experiencing a lot of skin texture in this area. and a lot of congestion in my pores. This helped in the two elements of kind of removing any congestion that were clogging my pores in this T-zone area, but it was also providing that exfoliation to minimize the texture. So that was one of the things that I noticed almost immediately, was how much smoother my skin looked in this area. The second thing that I noticed basically immediately was the radiance. Because you're boosting that circulation, you're boosting the blood flow, and you're slowing off those dead skin cells, I immediately noticed after a single use that my skin looked much more radiant and youthful. Another thing that I noticed almost immediately was how my makeup applied to my skin. The application was smoother and more seamless. My makeup after looked a lot more smooth. I didn't see any of those kind of like bumps and uneven texture that sometimes I do notice when I'm applying my foundation, for example, or my concealer, especially if they're more drying products. So I was actually really incredibly impressed with how good my makeup looked after using this device. I also noticed in terms of skincare application that my skincare products absorbed a lot better. Like I would be applying my serums and then my moisturizers. My skin just like drank it up and it looked super radiant and healthy and glowing. And I really think that has to do with the microdermabrasion and allowing those products to really sink into my skin and not just sit right on the surface of that dead skin cell layer. So those are the things that I noticed immediately. And I'm like an instant gratification girl. If I don't see things like right away, I kind of have a hard time sticking with them. I know that not everything works that way. For example, like vitamin C serums, you're not gonna notice like results like that. You have to continuously use them. But I'm going to say that I'm going to use something a lot more religiously and diligently and as directed when I'm noticing that there is a change immediately. And the great thing about this is that you are going to see that instant result, but you're also going to notice those results over time get better and better. For example, like the boost in collagen production, that lymphatic drainage, that Tonic Massage that's going to help decrease puffiness and boost your skin's natural healing processes. That is what I love about this, is that it's going to give you those long-term benefits with continued use as directed, which is about once a week, usually in your PM routine. Now let's just briefly talk about how to use this device, because I will say there's a little bit of a learning curve and a little bit of just getting used to it. Like you just gotta get the hang of it, get used to the device, playing around with it, and eventually you'll feel a lot more comfortable using it. So first things first, once you get your device, download the FOREO app. This is the FOREO For You app. You're going to register your device. It's going to activate the warranty. I'm gonna have the screen up here, but once you click your device, it's going to give you device information, how to use, device care, finding your device, some settings, as well as a smart control. Adjust the vacuum suction, the T-sonic intensity, and the pulsing. This is really great to customize your settings beyond just this button right here. So I'd highly recommend that as soon as you unbox your FOREO KIWI Derma to download the app, get your warranty, and basically access these extra settings. Now, in terms of actually using this device, you're gonna start with clean, cleansed skin. You're gonna want all your little tips because you're going to be rotating between them based on your skincare focused area. Now, with your cheek area, you want to gently hold your skin taut, and you're going to gently press the tip against the surface of your skin. And you want to make sure that you're holding it at a 90-degree angle so that the suction is even, so that you're getting even pressure when you're gliding it upwards and across your skin. So you're going to choose your suction intensity. I always recommend starting with the first one. I have built up to level 2, haven't quite gotten past level 2. However, once I'm doing my T-zone area where the skin is a little bit tighter, I do like to increase the suction on my nose area just to really get those pores cleaned. So I like doing 1 to 2 around the perimeter of my face and about level 4 for my nose and kind of T-zone area right here. So like I mentioned before, it's really important that you don't pause in one area. So if you're holding the device with the suction on and you're just holding it in one spot, or you bring it up and then you hold it here, you're going to bruise yourself because the suction is going to bring all that circulation to that one focused area and it's going to leave a residual mark, which is what I did the first time. So it's very important to quickly glide it across and remove the suction immediately. Never leave it in one spot, okay? learn from my mistake. Right after your treatment, you are going to apply your serum and apply your moisturizer. It's very important that you hydrate your skin after the device, and it's also going to help minimize some of that redness. You are going to notice a little bit of redness, a little bit of pinkiness. It might look a little bit splotchy in some areas. That is perfectly normal. It's just that boost of circulation, that microcirculation, that blood flow to the surface of your skin. And it's also recommended because this is a form of exfoliation to not use any retinoids, retinols, peels, or other exfoliating products 3 days prior and 3 days after your KIWI Derma treatment. So once you're done your treatment, you're going to want to clean your device because you want to maintain its longevity. This device will not need to be replaced. The tips do not need to be replaced as long as you take care of them. So you're going to unscrew your derma tip. You're going to run it under some water. Then in here with a dampened cotton swab, I like just to clean in and around this area. And then once you're done, you can just reassemble your device. Super easy. Now I have a very special offer for the first 10 customers to click the link down below and purchase the FOREO KIWI Derma. You will receive 21% off, which is a very rare offer. These very rarely go on sale. So for the first 10 customers, click the link down below if you're interested in purchasing this device. So that is my review, my thoughts on the new FOREO KIWI Derma device. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, demonstration, and review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.